Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload high quality videos on TikTok. So first of all, open up your TikTok application. On your TikTok application, you have to click on your profile icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you have to click on the three horizontal lines that are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the option that says Data Saver. In Data Saver, you have to make sure that this option is turned off as it can reduce your video quality on TikTok. After that, you have to go back to your profile. On your profile, you have to click on the plus icon that is used to upload any photo or video on TikTok. Then select the video that you wish to upload on TikTok. So for example, I will be using this one. Now you have to click on next. Once this menu opens up, you have to tap on more options. In more options, you have to scroll down and select the option that says allow high quality uploads. Over here, you have to make sure that this option is turned on as it can very easily increase your quality of your videos in TikTok. So everyone, that's how you can upload high quality videos on TikTok. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.